Today, we're diving deep into a review of TRIBE London Canary Wharf, located in Tower Hamlets, London. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation, and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At TRIBE London Canary Wharf, you can make use of convenient amenities, which include complimentary wireless internet access and complimentary use of a nearby fitness facility. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to O2 Arena, 42 minutes walk, Excel Exhibition Center, 43 minutes walk, London Stadium, 8 minutes drive, and also close to attractions like Westfield Stratford City, 8 minutes drive, Tower of London, 9 minutes drive, Tower Bridge, 8 minutes drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. One of my favorite hotels to stay in London. The atmosphere is super modern and the staff is wonderful. Special thanks to Shaknaz and Sanana for making my experience extra welcoming. Super supportive and helpful. We'll have Tribe Hotel as my go-to hotel every time I visit the city. I stayed at this hotel with some of my team during the International Tourism Fair at the Excel Center, World Travel Market. I have read some reviews where people have been complaining about value for money, and it makes me wonder that as they were traveling for the same fair. Our stay was spot on. Room was lovely, food and drink were top-notch, and the staff were attentive and easy to get on with. Naz on reception was particularly nice, with nothing too much bother for her. She had a great sense of humor and added to our enjoyment of our stay. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 8/10, for couples, 9/10, for friend groups, 8/10, for solo travel, 9/10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 7/10, cleanliness, 9/10, service, 8/10, value for money, 8/10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip.